What's up, everybody? Today, I'm going to talk to you about what to expect when you launch a free course on Udemy. Real quick disclaimer, you don't want your course to be free unless it's a small version of a paid course. Free courses on Udemy have horrible analytics, and it's going to be hard to recover a course from those analytics and get Udemy to push your course if you're relying on it to be free. You want mini versions of your course that are free to get attention, and then if people enjoy the mini version, they can choose to go pay for the full course. You don't want your full courses to be free, and you'll understand why as I show you, okay? So first off, this is a course that was just published 2 days ago. Whenever you publish a free course on Udemy, you can expect immediately a huge amount of signups. We're talking about between 300 to 1,000 signups in the first day, okay? So you can look here and you see this was yesterday. We're actually looking for the day before. So day 1, the course got 738 signups. Day 2, the course got 600 signups. In the very beginning of the launch of the free course, there's going to be a huge amount of signups. As time progresses, there will be less and less and less people signing up until you get a stable amount of people that are going to sign up for your free course every single day. The reality with free courses on Udemy is that there are a bunch of people all over the world who hoard Udemy courses. And every time there's a free course out, they're going to enroll in it because they want to get it while it's free in case it gets paid. It becomes a paid course at some point. That way they have it, okay? However, getting 1,000 people to sign up in day 1 doesn't really mean anything, as I'm about to show you, because it's all about the analytics, right? So we can see here that the free course has 1,400 people enrolled. And at this moment, it hasn't even received a single review yet, okay? And if we go to the student list, I'm going to show you something. Of these 1,400 people, the vast, vast majority of them will never, ever, ever even look at the first lesson in the course, okay? So what we're going to do, remember that there's 1,400 people in this list. We're going to sort it by progress, okay? So now we can see the people of these 1,400 who have actually engaged with the course. So we can see that 2 individuals have finished the course. 2 other individuals have done 50% of the course. 1 person has done 1/3 of the course. 4 people have done 1/4 of the course. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 people have done less than 1/4 of the course. All right? So in total, of these 1,400 signups, only let's see, there's 3 pages. Each page has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 27. Okay. Only 27 out of 1,400. Let's figure out as a percentage, what is that? 1,400 divided by 100. Okay, so 1% is 14. So we have 27. Okay, 2%. 2% of the people who sign up for your free course in the very beginning will actually look at your first lesson. The remaining 98% of individuals will never look at your course. And that is why free courses have horrible, horrible analytics. Effectively, the way Udemy works is it is a marketplace for courses. Udemy can market your course. It can push your course. It can show your course to its big marketplace of students. However, it's not going to do this until you show social proof. This means that once Udemy sees that a high portion of people are engaging with your course, then Udemy is going to push it. Okay? So, think about this. Free course, guaranteed 98% of the people who take it are never even going to look at the first lesson. Udemy's not going to push that. And that is why you should not start a course as free. It is bad to start a free course and then turn it into a paid course. The analytics get really messed up, okay? And it's hard to get that social proof to get Udemy to push your course. What you need to do is have a full course that is costing something, even if it's only 20 bucks or $10 or something small. You have to have a paid course. And then on the side, you could have a free course that directs some of that traffic towards your paid course. You're also going to find that these free courses on Udemy, again, 98% of the people are never going to touch your course. Not even look at the first lecture, a 1 or 2 minute video. Also, people are going to be very, very critical of your course. Some of these 98% of people who never touch your course will actually review your course and give it a rating, which is insane. Like, how can you know how to rate and review a course when you haven't even looked at the first lecture, right? So, understand that when you publish a free course, you can expect loads of people to sign up. But don't get too excited about that number because it's completely superficial. Only 2% of those people will actually engage with your content, all right? And that's why you need to have a paid version of the course and something free on the side that directs people towards it. The analytics of the free course in that situation effectively don't matter because free courses constantly get signups, and what you're going to find is that that 2% rate actually gets better with time. In the first couple weeks, maybe the first month of your free course being live, you are going to have all of the people who just hoard courses that they never use sign up for you, right? After most of those people have gotten your course, then you're going to have maybe like between 5 and 30 signups a day. Of these new signups, you can expect a bit of a higher percentage than 2. I don't know for certain what it can be, but most of the 2% metric comes from that initial surge of people. Once those people have all gotten your course, the hoarders have all gotten it, then you're going to get better metrics for the people who are just signing up for your course every day after that point. It's going to be better than 2%. It's still a free course, so people can literally just like the idea of your course and think that they'll take it at some point and sign up without making any kind of commitment. So you're always going to have a very, very, very low retention rate with a free course. That is the reality of free courses on Udemy, okay? So I just wanted to share this video with you guys, so those of you interested in making Udemy courses know exactly what to expect when you make a free crash course, all right? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!